last season's finalists Be Love Candy and Dambulla Aura will clash in the opener of the Lanka Premier League 2024 in Palekhele on Monday. In the 2023 LPL final, Be Love Candy beat Dambulla Aura by 5 wickets. It is time for Dambulla Aura to set the record straight. For more on the 2024 Lanka Premier League's exciting Match 1 clash, tune in to our video. The 2024 Lanka Premier League opening match will see Be Love Candy and Dambulla Aura clash on Monday. Both teams have experienced and T20 specialists in their lineup as Candy and Dambulla look to renew their rivalry in a new season. पालेखेले इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम का पिच आमतौर पर एक बैलेंस्ड पिच होता है जो बैटर्स और बॉलर्स दोनों को फेवर करता है। इस वेन्यू पर T20 मैचेस का एवरेज स्कोर लगभग 161 है। यहाँ 2 सीजन्स में अब तक 17 मैचेस होस्ट किए गए हैं, जिसमें टॉस जीतने वाली टीम ने 10 बार पहले फील्डिंग करने का फैसला लिया है। Be Love Candy and Dambulla Aura would try to field their best playing 11 in their first match of the LPL season. However, in the first match, it would be difficult for both teams to get the combination right. In the Lanka Premier League, Be Love Candy and Dambulla Aura have played 9 matches against each other, of which Candy has won 5 and Dambulla 4. Dinesh Chandimal will be key for Be Love Candy as the experienced batter has scored 1,069 runs in 4 seasons of Lanka Premier League at a strike rate of 132.46, which includes 5 50s. Kasun Rajitha is one of the top 5 wicket takers in the LPL. In 23 innings, Rajitha has picked 30 wickets at an average of 18.43 and strike rate of 14.83. Navendu Fernando has featured in 3 LPL seasons and in 19 innings, he has scored 404 runs, which includes 3 50s. Fernando in LPL has an average of 23.76 and strike rate of 118.12. Nuwan Pradeep of Dambulla Aura is the second leading wicket taker in LPL. He has picked 43 wickets in 29 innings at an average of 21.65 and strike rate of 13.88. Apart from his success in T20Is, Vanendu Hasaranga has had success in LPL too with 57 wickets in 40 innings. He is the highest wicket taker in LPL. Mohammad Hasnain would be an avoid pick for Be Love Candy because of the lack of game time in the LPL. He has featured only once in an LPL season so far. Nuwan Tissara is the 3rd highest wicket taker in the Lanka Premier League with 41 wickets and would be a hot pick for Dambulla Aura. Iftikhar Ahmed is out of form and had poor returns in the T20 World Cup for Pakistan. In the Lanka Premier League too, he has scored 82 runs in 11 innings. There is not much of a difference in head-to-head record, but Dambulla Aura will have the edge because of the intent they would have to average last season's final defeat against Be Love Candy. Dambulla Aura will have 60% chance of winning the match. Vanendu Hasaranga would be the captaincy pick for his excellent record in T20 cricket, including LPL, while Dinesh Chandimal will be an ideal pick for the vice-captaincy role. और आखिरकार हमारा फैंटेसी 11 जहां दिनेश चांदीमल विकेट कीपर होंगे, बैटर्स होंगे दिमुथ करुणरत्ना, लुवेंदु फर्नांडो, इब्राहिम जदरान, हजरतुल्ला जजाई। प्लेइंग 11 में 3 ऑलराउंडर होंगे जो हैं विनेंदु हसरंगा, गसून शकाना और काइल मेयर्स। कसून रजीठा, नवोन तुषारा और दुष्मंता चिमीरा होंगे 3 स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर्स।